Hello, everybody. Get ready for a wild ride as we count down the top 5 weirdest fighter jets ever to take the skies. These unique and eccentric aircraft break the mold with their unconventional design and out of the box thinking. Let's explore the world of aviation's most peculiar creations. Coming at number 5, we have the McDonnell XF-85 Goblin. This tiny rocket-powered aircraft was designed to be launched and retrieved by a mothership. Its compact size and unusual docking system makes it a standout among fighter jets. Holding steady at number 4 is the Avro Canada VZ9 Avro Car, resembling a flying saucer. This experimental aircraft was developed in the 1950s. Despite its promising concept, the Avro Car faced stability and control issues, leading to its ultimate demise. Prepare for the eccentric encounter at number 3, the Lockheed Martin X27. This aircraft pushes the boundaries of conventional design with its canard delta wing configuration and tandem wing layout. Though it's never entered production, its striking appearance earns it a spot on our list. Brace yourself for number 2, the SAP 21IR. With its double delta wing and pusher propeller design, this Swedish aircraft stands out among its counterparts. Its unconventional layout made it a rare sight in the sky, leaving an undeniable mark on aviation history. And finally, claiming the top spot at number 1 is the Northrop Tactic Blue. This experimental stealth aircraft resembles a flying wing. It was developed to explore low observable technologies. Its shape and radar absorbing features make it one of the most bizarre fighter jets ever created. Thanks for watching.